here's a video on how to install the Michelin Guardian Premium All Seasons from Costco on a Ford Explorer. This is really kind of a pain and the directions are horrible, so I figured I'd make a video. Alright, first off, just so you see, this is what it looks like coming off. If you can see in here, there's these two little tabs that you gotta push in, and then you sort of work it out. If I can get it out. And see how it clips on there. So now that you got that out, we'll move to the next step. Alright, so this is what it comes with. You get 3 different clips, directions which are completely worthless, and you get the wiper blade. For some reason they installed this thing in there and it's not used, so you have to flip it over and then you have to push it down, and it's kind of a pain to do. So I'll get this out of here, and then this is a clip that you're going to use right here. This one, it looks like this. So I'm going to get this out, and then I'm going to show you how to get this one on. Just push that one clip out, and you have to push it down with both fingers. That's why I can't do it with one hand. Then you just slide it out. Now you got that out. Now the pain of this thing is it's got to go in, and if you see, it's going to be pushed in, and then you have to sort of force it this way with this. You have to push it this way, and you got to get it to click in. So I'm not going to do it on there, but you have to put it on here like this. So it's like this, and then you're going to push in this way until you get it on there completely, and it's going to click, and you have to really give it some force to get it to go. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll get it back and show you where this goes on the windshield wiper. Right, so now I got that on there. It's not going to come off. You have to really go push hard, and I sort of push this way and forward, if that means anything to you. So now, unfortunately, it's kind of a pain, but we have to get this little plastic thing off. You'll see it sort of has a little tab here and a little tab here. You sort of can pry it off. I think you're supposed to push this thing down. So I'm going to take that off. And in order to get this windshield wiper blade on, you need to take this off. I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you where it goes on. So now I got that off. Here's the little clip thing. And we're actually going to use this, so don't get rid of it. It's a different way of getting on and keeping it on than the thing you took off was. So keep that. And now what you're going to do is you take it, and this is going to sit right up in here, and it sort of goes in there. I don't know if you saw that. Hard to do one-handed. Alright, so you get it like this, and you sort of clip it in there, and that's where this little piece comes in, and this piece is going to go back on top of here. It's going to go back on top of here, and that's what's going to hold it on top of that arm. So you have to sort of jam this on there, and I'll show you once it's done. So now, see if this little thing, that's what's holding it in place. You can see the wiper blade is on there, it's not coming off. You just slide it down. Now for the Explorer, I used, it was a 26-inch. Another one I think was a, here we'll see, it was a 22-inch was the other. So they're not the same length, so you have to get 2 different lengths. But now I've got the 26-inch and the 22-inch installed. It was not easy, but hope that helps people.